Hey guys, it's Eddie. Sorry it's been a little while since I've done the videos, but I've been kind of wrapped up getting my business going, so I'm just trying to figure out how to make ends meet, so kind of bear along with me through this. Today I was out with Fritz. We shot some combustion videos. We're both going to kind of put these videos in our channels. He's going to kind of do his long epic videos that he's known for. I'm going to kind of break them up in different little series. So we kind of went over how to measure draft to do the actual combustion analysis. We did airflow. We measured temperature difference. And like I said, I'm going to kind of break mine up in 4 or 5 different segments. And if you want to watch one long video, I think it's like 45 minutes. So if you want to watch one long video, you can go over to Fritz's channel. It's just Fritz HVAC. Alright, he's going to do his normal epic video. Then I'm going to do my little segments. So there should be, I think, 5 or 6 videos in this series. So, alright, I hope you learned something from them. Alright guys, so what we got here, we've got Testo 330 on the left, and we got the Testo 320 on the right. We just want to kind of go through what both of them are capable of doing, kind of show you the menus. My personal opinion, I think they're both pretty close to being the same meter as far as taking the test that we take. Now the 330 has some advantages over the 320, but for the average HVAC tech that's just doing residential HVAC, I think the 320 is going to be just fine. So we're going to kind of go through the menus real quick. Let me get zoomed in here where we can. And you can see both menus side by side. We'll just kind of scroll through. We've got flue draft, fine pressure probe on both sides. We've got CO air free on both sides. We've got smoke number on both sides for doing oil furnaces. Differential pressures, differential temperatures, B-vent check, clock meter. This is where you can actually clock your gas meter to see how much gas you're actually using. CO ambient, CO2 ambient. Now mine has a burner control, pipe test, and what you got on that? What's the last one?
Gas leak detection. Then it goes to flue gas analysis.
So for the most part, they're both going to do the same test.
Now on this 320 here, I think it's a fantastic instrument and everything. But me and Eddie actually did some testing with it, and we don't actually have a differential pressure with this, do we?
No, not as of right now. It was an oversight by Testo, I think. We're still trying to get the information on it. To do differential pressures, we need this port here. That's where we plug in one of our hoses for our static pressure tip. Alright, then we have another adapter that plugs into here. On the 320, the current version, that little port's not here.
Yeah, we thought that's what that was, and that's right here. It's actually a vent.
Yeah. So,
but we did talk to Testo, and we've talked to Jim, and they're gonna, it's like you said, it's just an oversight, but we're just waiting on Testo to get back with us.
So that's not enough of a reason not to go ahead and purchase the meter. Hopefully, I think they've got that fixed now. We just have to see what they're going to do with the current ones.
Right.
But like I said, both of the meters are going to do basically the same tests. This one will hold more customers than this one.
Yeah, I think mine holds 500. Yours holds what, like 5,000?
Yeah, something like that. I really don't remember how many. So let's go ahead and go through. Go ahead and hit escape. So, I mean, just about everything on here is the same.
Let's see. We got measurement options, folders and locations, and actually Eddie actually programmed my thing up for me, and I've got a Rochester folder, and it'll actually say like Rochester's Heating and Air 502-643-0220, so my customers can see it when I leave a copy with them. Saved measurements, you're actually able to save all your measurements. Your device settings, that's where Eddie went in and took care of everything for me. Sensor settings, I guess it lets you know, you can actually get in there and it'll tell you whether or not your sensor's bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fuel test options, of course, that's going to be like natural gas, propane, butane, yada yada yada. So let's see, instrument diagnosis. So this thing will actually I reckon it diagnoses itself.
Yeah, it checks the sensors and.
But you have mine goes straight to instrument diagnosis. It looks like the 330 has what programs on it?
Yeah, I don't know what that's for. Never even clicked on it before. All right, so it's got that option. I don't know what it's for. I've never used it, so obviously we're not going to worry about that one because I haven't used it. Don't need it, I guess.
Okay, so we've got instrument diagnosis. The whole screen looks like it's basically the same instrument, and it takes us back to full measurements. Yes. Okay.
All right. And as far as the looks go, I don't know which one I like better. Good. I don't have my tripod. I left my tripod at home, but you know, I think I like the feel. The problem with mine, hold that in right there. It's right here. This comes off pretty easy most of the times. I can't do it with one hand, but that battery case is not. I don't really like the way they mount that battery case. Here it's screwed in. There's no way that's going to pop off.
It's actually got a booter in it.
You know, I don't know which. As far as build quality, I don't know which one I like better.
What about the what? Is this where we drain the water out of it if it ever collects
pull
water?
That top here. We're talking about draining water. It's got a water level line right there. Both of them has basically the same one. And you just pull this little top and you would drain the water out. I've yet had to do that, so.
Cool.
I don't know, Fritz. Which one feels better in your hands? I don't.
Let's see.
I don't know. I like them both.
I like your 330, but I don't know, man. I mean, you know, the 320 to me, it just looks sleeker. I don't know.
Yeah, I think I don't know, just your opinion, guys. I mean, this one is around $1,200, and this one's going to be around $2,000. So,
so I can tell you which one I like.
So y'all make that decision. So we're going to head. What we're going to do, I guess. He's already got one hole here. We've been doing our previous testing. I guess we're going to pop another hole. I don't want to be right beside it. I don't know, Fritz. I would come down about here, maybe shoot it right in here where we're not right in front of it.
Right here?
Yeah, I'm sure somebody's going to nitpick this to death, but we'll figure it out.
That's okay.
Alright, so yeah, glue it right there.
Okay.
Keep on drilling it up. That should be good. And there would be the two spots we'll take. And we just want to run them both side by side so you can kind of get an idea of what they're capable of doing. Like I said, I think they're going to be pretty close to being the same thing. So let's get everything hooked up and we'll be right back to you.